So today we are moving on to inverse variation. Inverse variation is when two variables have a relationship and they're growing like opposite of each other. And so the larger one of them gets, the smaller the other one gets. Direct variation is where both get bigger at the same time. So the general form of inverse variation is y equals k over x. And the general form of inverse variation is y equals kx. I highlighted it in the wrong color. Let's start over. Bless you. Okay. So number one wants me to tell whether x and y show direct variation, inverse variation, or neither. So all I need to do on these is get y alone and then see if it looks like the yellow or pink equation or none of them. So on number one, I'm going to divide both sides by x. So then I get y equals 5 over x. So which of these equations does this look like? The yellow, the pink, or neither? Yellow. So this is going to be inverse. Okay. On number two, this one is already y equals. Does it look like yellow, pink, or none of them? Huh? No, because you see how it has an extra number at the end? These don't have extra numbers at the end. So this one is neither. Okay. And then on number three, I need to get y alone. So the opposite of fractions is 2 multiplied by 2. Then I get the 2's canceling out on the left side, and y equals 2x. Okay. So which one is this? Direct. Questions here. Okay. So on number 4, what do I want to do? Divide both sides by x. And this gets me y equals 17 over x. So this one is inverse. Yeah. I like this one. What about number 5? Someone else. Not Abigail. Neither, because there's that extra number being added at the end. And then the last one I want to multiply both sides by 10. So it cancels out on the left. And
2 points extra credit.
which gets me y equals 10x. So this one is direct. So questions there. Okay. Number 7 tells me that x and y vary inversely. So this means it's going to be the yellow equation I highlighted at the top, y equals k over x. And then it tells me what y equals 4 and x equals negative 3. Then it wants me to write an equation and then find the value when x equals negative 2. So there's like 3 things going on here. First, I need to find my value of k. So I'm going to plug in y and x. I have 4 equals k over negative 3. Then, how would I solve this equation? Yep. Multiply by negative 3 on both sides. So it cancels out on the right side. What's negative 3 times 4? Negative 12. So then I'm going to plug back in to get my equation. I'm going to have y equals negative 12 divided by x. Then I need to find the value of y when x equals negative 2. So I am going to plug into this equation. So what is negative 12 divided by negative 2? No, it's positive. Because remember, negative, yeah, just 6. So there are my answers there. Questions on this one? So, number 8 tells me the same thing. They vary inversely, so this means it's going to be y equals k over x. Then it gives me y and x, so I want to plug those in. Y is 8. X is 4. Someone from the left side of the room, how would I solve this? Yeah. So I multiply to both sides by the 4, which gets me k equals 32. So then I plug back into the equation. And that's my equation. Then I need to figure it out when x equals negative 16. Questions here?